the beach, nature. The best place in the world to recharge our batteries and connect, which we need a lot these days. Welcome, my name is Björn Lundberg and I will be your host and guide through this epic journey of self-discovery, self-realization, self-actualization, upgrades, transformation, a journey from being born into this life of a mother and a father, mixing their genes, becoming this physical structure, your physical structure, our bodies. And then just a few weeks into that embryo starting to mold and come together and develop, there is this magical thing happening, which science yet today can't really explain. Out of the blue, there is this spark, this energy, this light, this love, the soul, us, that suddenly comes into the body as the captain of the ship. And 9 months later, we have our birthday, but we actually had our birthday there, about 9 months before. Then we came from the spirit world and now into this body, and now here on this planet, along this meaning of life journey, this school of life, where we grow and experience a number of things. And when we leave, we can't take anything with us except one thing, and that is the growth we had through this life journey. How we matured from our ego self to our higher, wiser self, and became a better and better captain of our ship and of ourselves. So this is the journey. Let's say the journey has 1,000 points as the goal. When we have mastered whatever it is we like to master in life, but most importantly that we master ourselves, to make this shift from an ego sense to a soul self, and invite the ego to not suppress it, but invite the ego to learn that we become its parent, which we are, and then we take so much better care of us. So we make this paradigm shift on the planet there. Instead of half of us or more than half of us die along the path because we don't know how to take care of ourselves, we become a humanity that are masters of taking care of ourselves. This is the paradigm shift that are happening as we speak. And if you're not on it, then welcome. You can be on it if you like right now. This is the start of this journey, that more and more of us just come to this higher understanding, this consciousness that grows within us and are blooming, to leave the past that doesn't work any longer, where we were ego driven, and invite the spirit, the wiser self, the master, to come and let that be the captain of our ship. So we will go through 3 things: how to take care of the physical body, what not to do and what to do. You take your time, step by step, and learn the journey of 1,000 steps, right? Then and you design your dream body. I don't believe that we should go on diets and things like that. We should just do the right thing. If you do the right thing, you will be in the zone of your full potential. Not too much body fat, not too little, but you variate. You are on this spiral where you within that zone, so you feel the best, the body are healthy and as high in energy as it can be. So that's the ideal life path, right? So between the lower energies and the higher energies, let's say on a scale 1 to 10, we keep ourselves between 7 and 10. This is that journey. The master journey is that you can't hold a peak. We can only peak for a short while. Then there is the alley, right? But if you look at it on a three-dimensional way, so we spiral through life, instead of having peaks and downs, you spiral through a nice structure, 7 to 10 in how we feel, how we look, and how we grow old. And to do that, we need to master these three things. How to take care of the physical structure, the physical body, including the mind. So the mind doesn't master us, we master our mind. And that comes to master our thoughts, and with that we master our feelings, right? So when we feel because we have developed our thoughts to think wiser of everything. So we understand it on such a deep level that it's become not positive thinking, it becomes clarity, it becomes united knowledge that you just know is true. And the result speaks for themselves. We feel better, we perform better. And to do that, we need to do the next paradigm shift, the second step. And that is that we need all to become masters of our skeleton, right? So if we just sit up, if you sit right now, just sit up and sit on the lowest point of your spine, fall forward a little bit, come back and just adjust your spine so you sit really straight, right? We don't sit like this. We slump and we sit in all kind of ways, but we need to master our skeleton. And to master our skeleton, we go to the next phase, to master the left and right side of our body. So we become united, we become symmetrical. Right now the whole world is crooked. We're off in the skeleton and we do sports that you do, let's say golf for instance, you just play on one side through your whole life. No wonder you have problems in your skeleton and your physical body, because we become twisted. And everybody do this in one sport or another. We have a tendency to do it more on one side or the other. And even if we do sports like we go to the gym and we do weight training, you think you do it symmetrical, but no. There's fine adjustments that need to take place. We need to do a paradigm shift in every area, every sport, the gym, everywhere. So you learn to become your own nicer way of a chiropractor. So self-adjustment through yoga and skeleton adjustment exercises. So you grow, and as you grow old, you don't lose your posture. We keep our posture through our life, right? Nice. And the thing is, I used to be, long story short, I trained through my life so many sports, but I was crooked from the beginning, childhood thing. And it's a birth defect. So I was a little bit off in my pelvis, and when the doctor tells you have one leg that's a little bit longer than the other, that's not really correct. The more correct thing to say is that our skeleton is out of alignment and our pelvis is a little bit crooked. And then there come this effect down and up, right? where we are a little bit off. And then we get shoulder pain in one shoulder, or a hip pain in one leg, or a knee or a joint. So we can fix that, but we need to learn how to do this in a heartful way, not hard, but nice, right? So then as you do that, you let go of pains that you know of, but you also let go of pains and aches that you have become so adjusted to, so you don't feel them any longer. So you're going to let go of little things as well on the journey. And we just go on a journey where we take step by step. You take it in your own time, and you're going to feel better and better and better. And then sometimes we need to take a step back, or a step back happens to us through life. But then that was just a short pause. Then keep on going. And keep on going and keep on going. So if you just don't give up, when you come to points in life where you feel like giving up, it's just a pause, and then we continue on the journey. I will be here with you. I'm your guide through this journey, and I'm very grateful to have come to this point where I can share this knowledge with you, as if I would go to a time machine and go back in time. I would love to tell all of this to myself 20, 30 years ago. It would have been a much lovelier journey through this than what I have been through. But hey, that's life for all of us. And I don't regret anything, because without my journey, I couldn't have been here now talking to you. So welcome to this journey on 3 levels, and the 3rd level I will only say briefly. It's the spirit world. How we connect. The soul connects with the spirit, which is our wiser self, the master, and we become united, which we are already, beyond religions, beyond God and all names of God. We meet in our humanity, grounded, heart open, wisdom open, brothers and sisters. We're all one, and we all have to go through this journey to take better care of ourselves to the level where we all master this level of earth life. How to take care of ourselves, how to take care of our body, and how to take care of each other. So welcome. Take your time, step by step, small things. And if you are older and you have come to the peak where you feel this is not for me, I'm always going down. No. Look at this. We just do like that. So a little, and then we go on this ascension journey. So you feel better and better through your life. It's better if you're young, if you start this journey young. If you're middle-aged, great, it's never too late. And if you're old, it's never too late. Come on the journey. Take a look at video after video, small pearls of timeless wisdom that if you practice it, you will get positive results. Just one video of all the videos on this transformation journey will enhance you in a great way. So imagine doing many, taking your time to start to get it into your life, and look at the results a year from now, 10 years from now. So I see you in the coming videos. Take care for now. Bye.